guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to finally show you my room. I just moved into college for my second year. I'm a comp sci major at Cal Poly SLO. I'm currently living in Poly Canyon Village. It's like an apartment that I'm living in with 3 other amazing roommates. And since I moved in, it literally took me like so many days to freaking decorate my apartment. It's actually crazy because I felt like it was like never enough. But I think finally I'm like happy with how it turned out, so I can't wait to show you guys. And if you know anything about me, it's very like pink, white, Pinteresty themed, and I'm super happy with how it turned out. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is what it kind of looks like once you enter. I put this like mirror up on the wall. I think I got it from like Ross or something for probably like $30-ish. I don't really remember, but you can probably find something very similar at like TJ Maxx, Ross, or just like any other stores, and they're pretty affordable. And what I basically did is I stuck them up with like these Velcro command strips, and it seems to hold it up really well, so that is perfect. First up, I have this gold frame that I got from TJ Maxx. I feel like half of my stuff is from TJ Maxx just because it's really cute and affordable. But I think I got this for like $7 to $10 or something. And I just went on Pinterest and I printed out this aesthetic like magazine poster looking thing. And I just put it in a gold frame, and I think it just adds so much to that wall. And then I put up these LED lights. At first, I was like going with this like purple-ish color, and then I realized that there was a pink. Like, look how pretty that looks. I feel like LEDs are like a staple for college dorms. So anyways, here I put these globe lights that I got like last year. I swear to God, that was not supposed to be there because I was supposed to put up like wall shelves. So basically I have these like wall shelves, but I put them on the desk because I was trying to put them up on the wall, and I used so many like Velcro command strips, and I kept pressing them against the wall, and at 4 a.m. it kept falling on my head. You know what? It still looks good. So I put up these globe lights, and then for my bedding, this is the same thing as last year. It's just some white comforter from, I think, IKEA, and then this crochet blanket. I actually made it. Then here I have my pillows. I got the covers from Amazon. I can link it below. It's just a really pretty like pink pillow, and it just adds some of that accent to the bed, and I really love that. I bought one of these. I didn't think I was gonna use it, but I'm using it so much because I always work on my bed. Then here I just put up like a command hook, and I hung up like a bag just because like the closet was looking a little barren. So I was like, you know what, why not? And originally I bought these vines to put on that wall shelf, but since that didn't work out, I just kind of threw it on the closet, and somehow it looked, and I feel like it adds that like perfect green to the wooden closet, so that's pretty good. Yeah, moving on to this side of the room. Also, I just have to show you, like, these windows are so freaking amazing. Like, look how big that is. And then also I put like a bunch of like drawers and like some other stuff under my bed. There were supposed to be like actual drawers under the bed, but what I did is I took them out and stacked them on each other and kind of made like a little vanity. I will show you that in like just a second. Love that there's like a lot of extra storage under the bed for just literally anything. And then there's like this little gap between the closet and the bed, so I just decided to stick a fan in there, and I can just kind of pull it out whenever I'm using it. And then behind that, I just put my like laundry bag. And then for my actual closet, it is pretty big. I put some dresses on hangers over here. And then I put some like coats, jackets, cardigans, whatever. And then here I just put like a laundry bag for when I need to just pick up my laundry. I have a robe, and I just have like a little shower caddy with a bunch of supplies. I still haven't gotten to like organizing that properly, but for now it works. And here I just put like a bag that I don't really use that much, and I didn't really know where to put it, so I kind of just hung it there. And yeah, that is my closet. Yeah, this is what that looks like. Really big, really spacious. I love that. Then one of my favorite parts, which is my vanity. I love my vanity. It's just so beautiful. First up, I have this tray for jewelry. Then I put this like perfume over here. I literally did not know this was a dupe for the Baccarat Rouge perfume. I literally found it at TJ Maxx and I thought it smelled wonderful, but there's no way because it smells so good and it's like a literal dupe for the Baccarat Rouge. So if you guys are at TJ Maxx, you should get that. Also from TJ Maxx, my vintage frame. This one I think was $6.99 or something, and I just printed out this like Vogue aesthetic picture and I put it up and it looks so beautiful. And I just had these like flowers from last year, and I think this vase is, I don't remember if it was like Walmart or Target, I don't remember. And yeah, then I have this like makeup organizer that I got at Target, and I just put like the most used like frequent makeup over here. And then I have this cute little like drawer for some like extra jewelry or clips or something, and I think I got this at like Daiso a couple of years ago, and I think it looks like really nice next to the gold and clear like makeup organizer. And then I have this like pearl mirror type of dish that somebody gave me as a present, so I put all of my like collection of mists in here. I think it just makes a really cute display because I feel like there's a lot of room on this, so I can kind of put whatever and it won't look that cluttery. And I just put like another frame over here. This one I put like a Claude Monet one because I love art and it's just pretty. And then here I have my gold mirror. I basically got this last year for my dorm, and I think it was $17-ish. It was like a white frame like mirror, because I know like these mirrors are super expensive, so I got one for $17 on Amazon. It was white, and then I spray painted it gold, stuck it with command strips, and it somehow looks really good. So I'm really happy with just how the entire vanity turned out. I think it's just so nice to wake up to this every morning and just kind of like get ready. And then my second favorite part of the room, which is my beautiful desk. So this chair is something they gave us. They gave us this like ugly ass blue chair, and I just threw a blanket on it and it looks so much better because I feel like that blue was just not it. So then here I have this like bamboo tray that I think I got from IKEA a while ago. I was actually using it for like a coffee maker, but I don't need that anymore. So I decided to just like kind of use it for my laptop as like a little lap tray, because there's also like a little pull-out drawer so you can stick the entire thing in here, and it's really nice and spacious. So I really like that. And I put the wall shelves on my desk because I feel like it just adds a good pop of white to this like all brown kind of thing that's going on. So I feel like this was the second best place I could put them since they weren't sticking on that wall. So I put these plants, they're fake obviously because I can't keep plants alive. So I got these from literally Walmart for like I think just a couple dollars. They're really cheap. So if you guys are at Walmart and find these, like definitely get them. They are very lightweight, very inexpensive. I got them because they're super light so they would stay on the shelf, but apparently not. Then I have my beautiful pumpkin spice latte candle. I love this thing. It's so freaking good. I recently just got like a rose gold lighter for it. It's so pretty, and literally I lit it up yesterday and our entire living room smells like heaven, and I lit it up here, so you know that's good. And then here I just wanted to add like an accent of brown. Didn't know what to put, so I threw in like twine because I was working on something and just put it there, and it looks good, so I was like, you know what, I'll keep it there. And then I have my little pencil case, or like pencil glass. This is like an old mason jar with like a couple mile liners, some stuff. Yeah, you get the point. And I also got these like fairy lights and just kind of strung them in this entire section, and I feel like it just adds so much when I'm working at night. It's just really beautiful to look at. Then here I have my drawer container organizer thingies. Very specific, I know, but I got this from Daiso like a really long time ago. Here I have some like whiteboard markers, some like washi tapes, index cards, that kind of stuff. Then here on the top one I have some like gold paper clips and binder clips and washi tape. And then in this one, this is like a file holder thing that I got from like I think Walmart. It's like gold and clear. I never had the space to put it anywhere, but I think it looks really good to put some white graph notebooks, some like green and some brown like notebooks there that I'm not using, so it just looks really nice. And then I very recently just finished the collage for my wall. I can totally link the entire board, but basically what I did is I was like scrolling on Pinterest for hours and hours and trying to like go on Canva and just kind of like mapped out what actually looks good together and like mapping out the color schemes and everything. And once I did that, I just printed it out and stuck it on the wall, and I feel like it just looks really cute, especially for college. If you are running on a budget or something, I feel like just printing out like a really cute collage adds so much to the room, and it's very pretty. And then here I just have like a command hook because sometimes I'll be just wearing a cardigan and I'll take it off and I don't want to throw it on my bed, so I just kind of stick it on the door. But yeah, that's basically it for my room tour. I'm super happy with how it turned out, and I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.